Hi friends, today we are going to Dabbaguli. It's a place on the banks of Kaveri river inside forest. Let's start.
बोल बंसी वाले की
It is around 100 kilometers from Bangalore, and based on reviews it is going to take somewhere around 3 hours or even more if we take more stops. The journey is supposed to be very scenic. We will be crossing forest areas and we'll get to see countryside. Vehicle entries in forest area is allowed only from 8 a.m. onwards, so we started from Bangalore around 5:30 a.m. If you search Dabbaguli in the Google Maps, it will actually take you to the wrong place. So you have to search for Dabbaguli Vasveshwara Swami Temple, which is at the bank of River Kaveri. I will be posting the link for the exact location in the description. As it is forest area and remote area in most cases, so we don't expect that signals and internet will work all the way. So as a precaution, we have downloaded Google Maps offline for the destination. We are seeing a big banyan tree and beautiful lake with lotus flowers. We were anyway planning to take a break, so we are getting down here. We'll try to go closer to the lake. We are driving a Thar, so I don't have to think twice for a little off-roading. We are about to enter Kaveri North Wildlife Sanctuary. There is a checkpost where they are issuing a ticket and they are charging 50 rupees per car.
I am excited. I may also get to see some wild elephants.
These are beautiful countryside roads. The weather is pleasant, there is no pollution, and kids are really enjoying the open Thar. There is hardly any traffic, but occasionally you will find herd of cows, so you have to stop for them and let them pass. There is nothing you can do, road belongs to them. I'm happy to get my kids out here and see the countryside, to experience the real India. We are about 15 kilometers from Dabbaguli and we have left the tar road. Now we are moving on this forest road. It is fun with Thar. I am not sure it is going to be the same fun with any other car. They may struggle a little bit, specifically if it is rainy season. We found a hand pump and it was a good opportunity to show the kids how a hand pump looks like and how it works. We have just crossed another check post where they again charge around 100 rupees. They gave the proper receipts. It was a proper forest check post. From there again the road became a bit tricky. It has become very hot and we have covered the car now. It is quite dusty, probably not the best season to come Dabbaguli. There is no greenery as we were expecting. There is a lot of forest area, but the trees are not really green. We can see the Kaveri river from here. nice clean blue water. It's rocky and sandy. We are parking our other car, but we are taking Thar just next to the bank because we can. It's March, water is shallow and there is no current. Kids have already jumped into the water. We have not packed any additional clothes. It's pretty hot, so we are hoping the sunlight will dry them up. This place is not at all commercialized. You will not find any tea stall or any food stall or anything that you can buy. There is a Shiv temple here. There is a under construction temple just behind that. Priest was kind enough to ask us for food, but I will highly recommend that you carry your own water and food. It's quite scenic due to river, valley and forest view. I can't imagine how beautiful it will look when it's rainy, when water is flowing and forest is lush green. Right now weather is hot, so we won't be staying for long, but definitely coming back in the rainy season.